Okay, so we are down in Ocean Village and we have got the brand new Targa 40. Can you see it, Dan?
Yes.
And who's that? That's Nick.
Hello, Nicholas. Hello, how you doing? All right.
You've just gate crashed my intro.
Yeah, but we'll get more views now.
Oh, will we?
That's true. That's true.
We'll
Also,
hundreds.
you've gate crashed my intro. So,
Oh, okay.
It's
All right.
like one of those weird mashups.
Okay. Right, we're gonna.
You do that. I'm gonna go the way.
Okay, we're gonna sea test this Targa 40. Now, we did a full review of this boat at the Dusseldorf Boat Show. So, if you want to watch a detailed review of the fixtures and fittings and how it all looks inside, then click this link and watch that. This video today is about taking this Targa 40 out for the first time in the Solent and giving it a blast and telling you what we really think of it. And what we're also going to do, Dan, you didn't know this bit, we're going to test this one here, this Fairline 33 with, I don't know if you can see down there, we've got Jack Haines from the Yacht Buyer channel. He's going to be driving that. And then Nick isn't accidentally on the pontoon here. He is going to be driving that Targa 45 GT.
And I probably won't crash it.
And he probably won't crash it. And we're going to have a race. So let's go. Right, put that balcony up with you, Dan. Oh, look at that handle. That handle came out. That's very nice. Where's the little button for that? Just there. Oh, you've got to press 2 buttons for safety. Was that one of your ideas, JP?
Works nicely, doesn't it?
It does. Okay, we're good to go. Oh, it sounds juicy, doesn't it, eh? Okay, so we've started the engines up, and I'm just going to test. We've got a power thruster. Yeah, that works. We test that. Yeah, I've got that. Okay, we're good to go. All right. This is your captain speaking. Remember, I'm in charge, sweetheart. We're just going to sail out into a storm. Behind us, we've got Jack Haines from Yacht Buyer on the Fairline 33. Now, the reason I chose the Targa 40 is because it's the newest boat here. It's got twin 380 horsepower diesels, and I think it's going to go like stink. I hope to be able to whip Nick's arse. He's in the Targa 45 GT. He's got IPS 650s, but I'm definitely not going to beat Jack because he's got twin V8 480 horsepower petrol, which is very, very juicy. So let's get out of Ocean Village Marina and let the fun begin. The F-line's giving us a little bit of a head start because it's got 1,000 horse.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go.
Oh! The 45's got off quicker. Quicker, still going. F-line's a second from 10. I'm quite happy with that. I thought the Targa 45 would beat us.
You enjoyed yourself?
Yeah, what's that? They're giving it some beans, aren't they? Right, hold time. Here we go.
What's your name? Jeremy Clarkson.
Hold tight. I'll level it up. I'll level it up. That's better because I cut it on the flat, on the straight.
There we go.
It's when you've got it half over, then it hits that. Yeah, I pull it over there, look, pull it over, and it goes all right. That's the way to do it, yeah. I had it in the lean on the first time. I have it straight on. Okay, so we have just blasted down the Solent, and we have come over to the Isle of Wight. And what's this bay called? Newtown Creek. We're in Newtown Creek, and we've had a race with a Targa 45, we've had a race with an Fairline 33, and this boat really shifts. We got up to about 35 knots, which was lovely. The steering is super precise. The handling is great. We went over some massive waves. I had to level it up before I crossed the huge waves, but we had got a bit of water on the windscreen. You can see a little bit there, sweetheart, look. But I think we got away with it. And she's very, very sure-footed. Now, this boat is fitted with outdrives, as you know, and it has blades, and you control the blades. Dan, come over here, look. Just make sure I don't hit anything, because I'm actually moving. We've got the blade controllers here, so this is the trim, and then here, Dan, can you see that button there? We've got the trim for the drives there. So I've got two forms of trim. What I've found is that by getting the boat flat out and then putting the blades down, gets the bow down quicker for on the way up, and then as soon as I'm on the plane, I hit the blades back up, and we're cruising absolutely fine. So let's show you how it works. Okay, let's go. So flat out, hit the blades. Now you'll see the bow coming down quickly. Okay, now the bows, I'm nearly over the hump. There, I'm over the hump, I'm planing. Now the blades back up. Blades back up. And then we're off. Now hold tight. I'm not going to go crazy. But you can see it's quite a chop today. And she goes really well. Let's give it some beans. Look at the wash there, Dan, look. Look how excited Brett is.
Take more away than you're driving.
How's JP?
Well, I can't dare turn.
Check on JP, make sure he's alright, sweetheart. I'm doing a good job of smashing the boat up. Sorry, David. Right, so if we come back now down to a cruise. So back down to my normal cruising speed, I would say is about 18 to 20 knots. So the bow's down there. And there you go, that's 18 knots. Got a little bit of wash coming over the bow there because we're going into the sea. But she's very, very comfortable. Did you? Oh, sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. Oh, sorry. I'm nice and dry up here. Dan, come on here. Come on here. I found some food. Food, yeah. Come on. Yeah, you know, while they're testing those boats out in Solent water, obviously this is the Targa 45, but look, I found a load of stuff, look.
You found a lot.
Yeah, look. Yeah, come in, I've got all these pastries, Belgian chocolate shortbreads, and look what else I found, Sant. Hope it's not an ice maker. Oh, well, they are. got these. We got these. Look, they're like wraps. So I'm gonna eat the whole lot, Sam. Okay, so what do I think of the Targa 40? Well, it's fast, it's sexy, it's very, very capable, and you've got 4 berths plus the 2 berths in the saloon. I love the huge side windows, they're absolutely massive. I think she looks really, really sleek. The cockpit is the size of a 50-foot cockpit. I love the garage like the previous Targa 40, and I also love all the configurations that you can have with this sunbathing here. So all in all, the boat is absolutely top of my list, and the quality, the fluting, the woodwork, I mean the table, everything you see about this boat just oozes quality, and I really, really love that. So it's bye from me.
And it's goodbye from me. Goodbye.
It's not rocket science.
She bloody well is. This is stupid. Because you need to make that longer and it's physically attached to the life jacket there, so you cannot possibly move that.
We don't want to hear your excuses, son.
If he falls dead, you're going to see him.
Give it to an expert.
Give it to a child.
I just went for the simple
Yeah.
option.
That, I can connect it, I just can't make it longer.
We've all been there.
What? Yeah. In the toilet. What?
This is a new boat.
Don't tell David.